kahit kawayan yung gamitin ko pantayo ng bahay, tatayo at tatayo yan. Ang question na lang is, up to what extent yan nakatayo? Pag ba lumindol ng magnitude 1, magnitude 2, nakatayo pa rin yan or hindi? Kaya hindi binabaha before kasi iba naman talaga yung ulan ngayon. And that's true. Hindi naman natin matatanggal yan eh. Renovations are much more harder to do kaysa sa new construction. From design to actual implementation, mas mahirap ang major renovation. If we say tipid with regards to structural aspect, I would say wag. In any case, wala tayong pwedeng tipirin doon. We design it as it is. Kasi safety natin ng homeowners, safety ng client, safety ng titira doon yung nakasalalay doon. Profit makes us move. Kailangan yan eh.
Tama.
Pero fulfillment keeps us going. Profit, we can earn millions and millions and billions. Pero if we're not happy with kung anong ginagawa namin, eventually titigilan natin yan.